Question number 29. A diffraction grating is used to measure the wavelength of light. Okay. The spacing of the slits in the grating is 1.15 10 power minus 6. Value of D is given to you. The angle between the first order diffraction maxima is 60 degrees. Okay. So what is this? This is your full angular width theta. What is the wavelength of light? Okay. So what we do is we write the formula, straightforward formula. So 2 lambda divided by D is nothing but theta, and theta should be in radians. So this should be, now I want lambda should be equal to theta D divided by 2, which should be, what is theta? Theta is 60 degrees. 60 multiplied by pi by 180 multiplied by 1.15 into 10 to the power of minus 6 divided by 2. So 61s are 63s are. So finally I will write here lambda should now be equal to 1.15 pi into 10 to the power of minus 6 divided by 6. Now let us calculate what is this value. So this value would be, time already elapsed. Okay, so 1.15 into 3.14 divided by 6 will be 0.601 or 0.602 into 10 to the power of minus 6 meters, which is closer. This should be nearly equal to 602, 10 power minus 6, 10 power minus 7, 8, 9, 602 nanometers. 602 nanometers, which is closer here. 575 is closer. C should be the right answer.